Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to lock rows in Google Sheets for sorting. Let's begin. First of all, lock rows. Select headers. Go to View tab. Press up to row 1 and see this freeze or lock rows. Then select again full data. Go to Data tab. Short range. Advanced range sorting option. Data has header row. Short Z to A or A to Z. Then click short, and now we can see this short data without headers. And second way, again first of all apply freeze with header. Then go to Data tab, short range by column Z to A. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.